Rosie, say good morning!
Good morning! Morning, Baguio!
We're in Baguio still.
Rosie doesn't like horseback riding.
Papa,
She likes papa back riding.
PRC ito.
Yeah, sequel. Yeah.
Wow, ang daming walis. Bili din tayo ng walis ni ate.
Yeah.
Wow, laki. Lakad-lakad dito. Walis, Rosie.
Ate, pinigil mo. Kapatay yun doon. Ate, pinigil. Kapatay.
Ano to market? Oh, ano ka ito?
Bakit? Ano nangyari doon?
Ang cute.
Wala na mag-yun.
Mga pangkamot. Ito na yung mga broccoli mo lang po.
Left?
Broccoli.
Broccoli.
Ito yung mga fruit.
Rosie go down?
Huwag mo ibabadala. Akin na bigay. Broccoli. Ay, mga ayun yung sinahanap ko, broccoli.
Oh. Akin ang pelbos mo.
Ang luwag ng palengke nila.
Yan, nakita ko nga. Pero dito ako.
500.
1 kilo na po.
Hindi pa masyado.
You have to bite it if you want to try. No, not the lips. Here. Go. You don't like it? Ano, sweet.
Tamis.
You like sweet daw, Papa?
Grapes.
Matanda na na po.
Ang kaapon lang. Yeah, Papa will buy grapes.
Yung dustpan. Kaya tayo sa fruits.
Sa akin na. Ayan na, hawak na ni Papa yung grapes mo, oh.
You want na?
Hindi pa nahugas.
Hindi pa hugas. Sa bar. Ako, 10 roti.
It's in Papa's bag na. Where do we go next, Papa?
What else?
What else, Rosie? Can you hold Mama's camera? Hold it. Don't let it fall, okay? You sit down here. There.
Gusto mo doon pa, diretso tayo doon.
Ah, sige. Can you vlog, Mama? Oh, nawala. Give Mama. Para makita mo ulit. There. Rosie is in. Where are you? Baguio Market. There's the Walis Love. Oh, yung may ano mo ka. Look at this.
Ang ganda.
Parang nagpapabili ng walis mo. You like that walis?
Saan na to?
Ang ganda kaya.
One.
Entrance into the garden. Meron silang orchidarium.
Tsaka may mga Japanese, Chinese, Korean.
You have Stations of the Cross. Ayan, sana ganyan lang yung panahon. Ano ba siya pa ganun siguro?
Can you see?
Ang bulaklak to.
Carnation. There, we'll go to the bear later, okay? Here, yeah, that's it here.
Yes, look! It's so pretty!
Ganda.
Wow.
Mas okay yung hindi ako nakikita.
Ay, ang ganda. Para kayong kapitite. Pero apat kayo.
Ayun.
Happy for friends.
What do you call those flowers?
Screen capture na.
Yeah.
Come here.
Rosie!
Look at the back camera.
Abby! Bakit yun? Rosie! Kita mo si Rosie? Man?
Rosie.
Kikita yung sa taas.
Yan.
Kita yun.
Rosie. Hi, say hi. Mama, make a wish. Rosie. Papa too. Rosie. One. Two. One more. One.
There, on the water.
On the water.
Huggies.
Huggies.
Go!
Huggies.
Yay!
What did you eat, anak? Mama.
Mm. You can go inside.
Ikot lang.
Mm.
Wow. Ikaw.
Okay. Oh, it's so dark.
Wow. Let's follow the lights.
My gosh, can we go out now? I'm scared.
Lamig dito.
Love, let's go out.
Sindan mo ang ilaw.
Paputik.
Ilaw.
Hey.
It's
May lalabasan bang iba? Or babalik lang to?
meron. Follow lang yung ilaw.
Okay. Why it's too far? Tara na, balik na tayo. Paano ka dadaan may nagpipicture?
Rosie, it's okay. Lights off. Yeah. So friendly naman.
Palabas na ba yan?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Can we go faster? Naka-close na po. Love.
Let's go back.
Can you move? What does it say?
People born in the year of the dragon are healthy, energetic, excitable. Excitable?
Short-tempered and stubborn.
Oh,
Other sensitive traits may inspire confidence and trust. Dragon people are the most
they are compatible with rats, snakes, monkeys, and rooster. Oh, you're compatible with Papa.
Mama and Papa.
Mama and
monkeys
Papa. Monkeys.
Let's find Papa. The monkey.
Asan na siya yun?
Ayun, no, sa baba tayo.
1.
It's snake. This is horse.
Ayun yung monkey tsaka rooster.
Horse. Lolo Boy at his horse. Rosie, what's this one? Sheep.
Sheep.
Ayun yung monkey.
This is Papa's monkey.
Here.
Papa monkey.
Wow, the monkey is eating banana.
Most compatible with dragon and rat.
They always think they are right. They always think they are right and usually are.
Usually is the keyword.
It's most of the time. They frequently are loners and are timid. Emotions like their
Most
fortunes
compatible tayo with Rosie.
swing very high to very low.
Why? They move? No.
They can be selfish and too. Is that Kung Fu Panda? I think it's Kung Fu Panda.
Fist into palm. Yeah. Yeah. Open palm.
Yeah. Say
Open
yeah.
palm. Stand there. Yeah. Open palm. There. And then smile.
Smile.
Big smile. Yeah,
So
cute.
pretty.
Let's find other place now to explore.
Rosie, look at the elephant.
Thai elephants in Bali. Baby elephant. Hey Lola, Lola, make this garden. Make a garden like this.
So pretty, love. Another wishing well.
I know Samson. I know she knows. Hi. Say hi to Mama's camera.
Ganda.
Gutom ka na?
Yes.
Ay, may kainan ba dati kami? 1:39 ano yung mga yun?
Silogs. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. So pretty. But be careful. Don't touch anything, Rosie, ha?
Oh. Ganito pala dapat love pag cactus.
It's so nice.
May bahay siya.
Look at this.
Pagkatat kayo yung mga talim natin eh.
Wow! Look at this, oh. Wow. Okay. Oo nga, no? Rosie, pagpag your legs. Pagpag your legs. After Baguio, we are in La Union.